Flying a plane is no different than riding a bicycle.
Oh, nice. Oh.
Pick the right auto to fly back.
We hope you enjoy the rest of your flight.
Okay. Oh, God, no.
Pick the right auto to fly back to the
We
bonus.
hope you enjoy the rest of your flight.
Whoa, big fella.
Are you a doctor?
Yes.
Well, you found the
golden
ticket.
ticket.
The first class ticket will later
Check your altitude. Touch the dial.
Yes.
Just below and to the
Oh,
right.
my God. This is a good bonus to have when you have the golden ticket. I've picked those two before, so I'll go with this one now.
There's nothing to worry about.
Just keep going. Just keep going. I can't believe I saved it again. There's a guy on YouTube. He's like, you must be the best picker ever.
We're in terrible trouble, over.
Sluggish. A wet sponge.
Oh my God. I picked the good one again. I think. Oh my God, I did. And I get to multiply this.
Everyone on this plane is in a desperate situation.
Can you come stand with me in case security comes? Keep going. Nice, I picked the biggest again.
I'll be back in a minute.
Oh my God. Alright, just give me the other bonuses and then we can end this.
Big
Give
fine.
me auto.
Do you know what he had for dinner?
I'm ordering you. Stay up there.
No.
Pick the right auto to fly back to the
No,
bonus.
it's over. Alright, I'm at $80 even. Want to pick my multiplier?
How do you pick it?
At the top.
Select
Pick a big
first class seat.
Pick a 5 times. Come on.
Biggest ticket.
Anywhere. Three's good. Three's good. Beautiful.
Okay. Yeah, I would have gone for that
Yeah.
and that. So it's a good.
Nice. It's like almost 160 bucks. $7,800. Yeah. Nice.